In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Stripe account to Systeme.io. With this full 2025 guide, we're going to walk through this setup step by step, ensuring that by the end, you'll have a seamless connection between Stripe and Systeme.io, making your online transactions smooth and worry-free. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Systeme.io account. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand side of your dashboard. Just below your profile photo, you'll see a menu option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a new window where we can begin configuring your payment processors. In the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Payment Gateways. You're going to click on this option. It's here that we'll establish the connection to Stripe, one of the most widely used and trusted platforms for managing online payments. Now that you're in the Payment Gateways panel, keep an eye out for the Stripe option. You'll find it listed among other gateways. Once you've located it, click on the Connect button adjacent to Stripe. This will prompt a new page to appear. On this page, you'll be asked to select the Stripe account you'd like to connect with Systeme.io. Simply choose your desired account and then proceed by clicking the Connect button. It's important that you have authentication details ready so everything goes smoothly. Next, we need to do a little bit of back-end work with API keys. These keys are essential as they will authorize your account's connection. Inside your Stripe dashboard, navigate to the Developers tab. It might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. Within this tab, you'll find two key pieces of information, the publishable key and the secret key. You'll need to copy both of these keys, so take your time to ensure you get them exactly right. Once you've copied them, head back over to the Systeme.io page. On the Systeme.io platform, you'll have fields waiting for those keys we just copied. Paste the publishable key and the secret key into their respective fields within Systeme.io. This step is crucial as these keys help confirm that the connection between the two platforms is genuine and secure. After you've entered these keys, you'll find a Save button. Click it to finalize this setup process. Saving this configuration is the last step to ensure everything is locked in and ready to go. And there you have it. By following these steps, your Stripe account is now connected to Systeme.io, ready to handle transactions smoothly and securely. This straightforward process ensures that you can efficiently manage your payment gateway settings without any hassle. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Have a great day integrating, and see you next time.